Hello Morris class, Miss Baig here and welcome to our first maths video for this week beginning the 5th of January 2021. So in our usual maths lessons, we're going to start off with our arithmetic. But before we start off with our arithmetic, I would like you to go and grab a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. Okay, so if you don't have those things with you at the moment, pause the video here and go and get those things now, please. And then return once you're ready. Okay, fantastic. You're ready to begin. So you've got the date at the top, arithmetic questions. Now, if you usually do challenge 1, you will do challenge 1, and if you usually do challenge 2, you will do challenge 2. So let's start off with challenge number 1. Okay, so question number 1 is 3 add 5. 3 add 5. Okay, question number 2, 7 add 3. 7 add 3. Okay, question number 3, 10 take away 4. 10 take away 4. Remember, make sure you're using your fingers, okay? And then we've got an extension for challenge 1. We've got 10 add 3. 10, so put 10 in your head, and you're going to add on 3 more. So 10. Okay, now if you need a bit more time for challenge 1, you can do that now while I go through challenge 2, okay? So challenge 2ers, are we ready? So first one, you've had an advantage challenge 1, challenge 2 children, because you have been waiting for challenge 1 to complete this. So first one, 13 add 5. 13 add 5. Okay, number 2, 7 add 23. 7 add 23. Okay, next one, 16 take away 4. 16 take away 4. And the extension, we've got 20 add something equals 35. 20 add something equals 35. Now, if you need a bit more time to complete those questions, then pause the video here, and then once you're ready, once you've completed all of the questions, then come back and we'll go through the answers. So let me get my pen ready. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I'm using my pen now. Now I can do full screen again. Okay, let's start off with challenge 1. We've got 3 add 5. So we're going to always start with a bigger number. So hold up 5 fingers and add on 3 more. Okay, so I know I've got 5 on this hand, so I don't need to count 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first one is, oh, excuse my handwriting, number 8. Okay, number 2, we've got 7 add 3. So I'd like to hold up 7 fingers. That's it, well done, and add on 3. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3. How many have we got all together? Fantastic, well done, 10, lovely. Okay, now next one, we've got 10 take away 4. So 10 is our whole number and we are taking away 4. So if I've got 10 fingers, then I need to take 4 fingers away. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many have we got left? 6. Brilliant. Oh my goodness, look at you guys. You are on a roll. So the extension is 10 add 3. Now, we can't use our fingers for this one because we've only got 10 fingers. So put 10 in your head, hold up 3 fingers, and then we're going to count on from 10. Okay, so we've already got 10. We need to add on 3 more. So let's count together. 10, 11, 13. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Brilliant. Well done, you guys. Great job. I always worry about my handwriting when using the pen, but never mind. I'm confident with you, Morris class. Okay, challenge 2. We've got 13 add 5. So put 13 in your head, hold up 5 fingers, and now count on. So you're counting forwards. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We've got 18 is the answer for number 1. Oh, that's a very dodgy 18. There we go. I've tried to make it better, but it looks worse. But never mind. We're swiftly moving on, Morris class. We've got 7 add 23. So we're going to start with the bigger number first, which is 23. So I'm going to put 23 in my head. I'm going to hold up 7 fingers, and then I'm going to count on. So 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So the answer to number 2 is 30. Okay, right, the next one, 16 take away 4. So I'm going to put 16 in my head, and I'm going to take, so I'm taking away, so I'm counting forwards or backwards? Backwards, well done. Okay, 16, take away 4. So 15, 14, 13, 12. Well done. Brilliant job, guys. Okay, now, what method could we use to work out this one? So we've got 20 add something equals 35. So the first thing that we could do is we could count on. So what is if we count in our tens, so how many do we, let's say we'll go up to 30 first. So from 20 to get to 30, I know that I need to jump 10. I need to do a froggy jump, and it's 10 on the 100 square, isn't it? So I know that's 10. Now I'm on 30. Now, how many? I need to get to 35. So from 30 to 35, what number jump am I making there? Another 5 more. So I've made a 10. I made 10 jump, and I've made a 5 jump. And 10 add 5 is 15. Brilliant. Now, the other way that you could do this is you could take 20 away from 35. So you could actually do it like this. Now we could use column subtraction. Okay. Oh dear, what happened there? There we go. Let's try that at 0 again. There we go. I knew I got there in the end. Okay, so I always start with the one number at the top. So 5 take away 0 is 5. Well done. Good job. Now 3 take away 2 is 1. There you go. So if you don't want to count in your head, then you could be using formal subtraction, formal column subtraction. So well done if you got those right. If you didn't, that's absolutely fine. That's where we do our arithmetic to practice daily. And now we're going to be moving on to our maths lesson for today. So our learning objective today is, can I recognize and count pence? Our split objective is, can I recognize different coins? So before we broke up for Christmas, we were looking at money, and we were looking at different coins and their values. So let's have a quick recap of all of the different coins that we use. So tell the adult in the room, do you know what this one is right here? Well done. What about this one? Fantastic. What about this one? The smallest in size. Fantastic. 5 pence. Okay. And what about this one right here? 10 pence, fantastic. And what about this one? £2. Oh, well done. You're doing incredibly well, Morris class. And what about this one right here? Our famous hexagon-shaped 20 pence coin. Oh, you are on fire. Okay, and what about this one? 50 pence coin. Well done. And lastly, what about this one? £1. Fantastic. Well done, Morris class. Okay, now we're going to compare. So we're going to use our more than and less than or equal to signs. Remember, the crocodile always eats. He's a greedy crocodile, and he always likes to eat the bigger number. So can you have a quick look at this? So this is our 50 pence coin. Well done. And this is our 5p coin. Okay, now remember, we're looking at the value of the coin, so the number that is on the coin. Okay. So how much is this worth? I know that there are 5 1p's in this one. How many 1p's would be in a 50 pence coin? 50. Okay, now which sign is the correct sign? Which one is the bigger value? Well done. It should be like this. Well done. Great job. What about the next one? We've got 2 pence coin on this side and a 20p pence coin on this side. 20 pence coin, sorry, on this side. So which coin has the greater value? Which one is the greedy crocodile going to eat? Brilliant. Did you get that one? It's the 20 pence coin. Well done. Okay. Oh, hang on a minute. I've got one 20p coin here, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 5p coins. Oh, hang on a minute. So is this, if I count these all together, it can't be 5p. Now that doesn't sound right. What do you think we need to do to these 4 5p coins? What do I need to do to them? That's right. We need to add them all together. So I know that each one, it says 5p. So we could maybe try, should we count them? So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1. Okay, now add one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 10. Add another one. 1, 2. Oh, stop right there, Miss Baig. Stop right there. Okay, I think there is a much easier way to count these 5p coins. Have you got it? Yes, we can just count in our fives. I don't need to start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's going to take me forever. Right, so let's count. We've got 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so this is 20p. 20. My twos always look like a Z, but you know what I mean, Morris class. 20p. So now I see what they were trying to do. They were trying to trick us. So 20p is something to 20p. Fantastic. Equal to. Well done. Fantastic. Good job, Morris class. Okay. It says, what is the easiest way to count the coins below? Talk to your person in the room. Okay, so shall we count from the beginning? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness, that's taking too long. It's taking too long, Morris class. I can't do it. What is the other way that we could count in? We could count in our fives. Oh, you guys are too clever for me. Right, so 5, 10, 20, 30. Okay. Right, so I'll just put 30 here. I've got, oh, hang on a minute. I've forgotten to do something. What has Miss Baig forgot to do? Now, I know I was counting in my fives. So what was I counting? Was I counting 5 bananas? Was I counting 5 reindeers? Was I counting 5 chocolates? No, I was counting in pence. So I almost forgot to put the pence sign, which is a small p, 30p. Okay, what about this one here? I can count in my tens. Look, 10, 20, 30. Oh, they are the same value. My turn. Same value. Your turn. Try that 3 again. There we go. 30. And I'm not going to forget to put my pence sign this time, Morris class. I've got you guys. There we go. Even though it looks like something else. There we go. 30p. So when you're counting, when we have coins that are the exact same coin, exact same value. So if I've got 2p coins, for example, I don't need to count 1, 2, 3, 4. I can just count in my twos if I have the same coin. Okay, so it just makes it much easier to count. Okay, what method can we use to count these coins below? So we're going to use the same method. We're going to count in our twos. Hang on a minute. Oh, can we count in our twos then? Let's have a look. So we've got 2, then we've got 4, then we've got 5. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, did you catch me out? Oh, yes. There's no 5 in our twos times table because it's an odd number. This should be 6. Oh dear. Right, and and 8. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8. But this is 20p. This is a 20p coin. So can you use your knowledge of related facts and can you work out the total of these 20p coins? So, well done. This needs to be 20, 40, 60, 80. So altogether, the total value of these 20p coins is 80p. Well done. Now, what about these ones underneath? I know that this one 20p coin is worth 20p. What about these two here? Good job. These are also worth 20p. So can I use the same knowledge? Or can I apply the same knowledge and the same method to count these two? So I've got 2, I've got 2, I've got 4, ooh, I've got 6, and I've got 8. Now I'm going to use my knowledge of related facts, just like I did with the 20p's. And I know that that's 20, because 10 add 10 is 20. Add another 10 is 30, 40. That's 60. And that's 80. Well done, you guys. Well done. Okay. Now, it says, how can we accurately count the total value of these coins? So I've got a 5p coin, a 20p coin, and a 10p coin. Now, there is one very important method that you must use when you're counting money. And that method is, or that way of counting is, we need to rearrange, which means we need to shuffle around, we need to move around the coins. So we put the biggest value, the greatest value first, then the second, and then the second biggest, and then all the way down to the smallest. Okay, so 20p, so 20p is of a greater value than 10p, and 10p is a greater value of 5p. Now, it is easier for us to count the total value of these coins. So if this is my pocket money, this is Miss Baig's pocket money, and I ask, Morris class, how much pocket money do I have? Can you count it, please? So you're going to arrange it from arrange the coins from biggest to smallest. So I know this is my 20p coin. Now, biggest does not mean in size, okay? So it's not size, it's the worth, the value of the coin. So I know that's 20p. 20p add 10p is 30p, and add 5p is, well done, 35p. So my pocket money that I have tried so hard to save up is indeed 35p. Okay, now, very quick activity for you guys. Can you count how many 5p coins there are? Very, very quickly. I'm counting as well. Okay. Okay, how many 5p coins are there, Morris class? Well done, there are 6. Now, I would use the crossing off method usually. Let's double check. 1, we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Okay, how many, or there are something 50p coins, so we need to count the 50p coins now. These are slightly easier to count because they are hexagon shaped and they are much bigger in size than the other coins. Have you got it? Let's count together using the crossing off method. 1. Oh my goodness. Right, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 50p coins. Well done, Morris class. Okay, Morris class, how many £1 coins are there? Remember that our £1 coins and £2 coins, sorry, excuse me, they don't have a number. They have the word written on it. So there's no numeral. It's the word, £1 and £2. And I'll give you a clue. The £1 coins are slightly smaller than the £2 coin. Okay, are we ready? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, £2 coins, can you? It's the only ones that have not got a cross on them or a line through them. So can you count those for me, please? Well done if you got it right. And if you didn't, then that's okay as well. Okay. Great job, Morris class. Let's move on to the next bit. So your turn. You are now going to be completing an activity sheet. Well, it's not really an activity sheet. It's a piece of paper with your answers on it, and you're going to upload it onto Tapestry. Now we are going to go through the questions together. So if you still do not have a piece of paper and pencil, can you please go and get them now? Okay. Now, Challenge 1. So what is the value of this coin right here? This one right here. What is the value of this coin? So how much is this coin worth? Now, on your pieces of paper, can you please write your challenge number? So if you're doing challenge 1, so everybody should be doing challenge 1. So write challenge 1 and then write question 1. So let me demonstrate. I've got a piece of paper here with me. Just demonstrate for you, just so we don't get any confusions. I'm going to write challenge 1, and then I'm going to write Q1, which stands for question 1, and then I'm going to write my answers. Can we all see that? So that's how you're going to do it. Okay. Now, oh, actually, one more thing that Miss Baig forgot, silly Billy Miss Baig. I am going to put the date, of course. So make sure you put your date as well, so I know which day's work you are uploading. Okay. So question 2. What is the value of this coin right here? We're going to do question 2, and then I'm not going to. I've put a line because obviously I'm not going to tell you how much. Oh, I was about to say it. How much that coin is worth. I almost gave you the answer there, Morris class. I can feel your persuasive powers coming through the screen. Okay, and then question 3. What is the value of this coin? Okay, moving on. So, what is the value of this coin over here? Question number 4, that was. Question number 5, what is the value of this coin? Question number 6, what is the value of this coin? And then question number 7, what is the value of this coin? If I've gone through that quite quickly, pause the video here so you can read the question, or just look at the coin that is on the screen. Make sure you put the question number, please, guys, otherwise I won't be able to mark it when you upload it onto Tapestry, okay? Good job. Okay. Now, moving on to challenge 2, it says, how much money is there all together? So how you're going to do this one is, so same as question 1, challenge 1, you're going to write challenge 2 then. And then you're going to write question number 8, and then you're going to write A, and then you're going to do your answer, B, answer, C, answer, just like this. Okay, so pause the video here so you have a bit of time to count how much money there is. Let me put a line so you definitely know which one you're doing. So that is that one. Sorry, it's not a straight line, but oh, that line is terrible. Let's try that again. I can do this. I'm a super learner. I'm not going to give up on my Morris class. Never give up. Okay, there we go. Okay. Right, question number 9. Annie has this money. So this is our really tough challenge. This is almost even a challenge 3, if you'd like to call it a challenge 3. So Annie has this money over here, this long line of money. Tommy has this money. So this is Tommy's money over here. He's got 3 coins here, and he's got a 50 pence coin, a 20 pence coin, and a 20 pence coin. Now, Annie is saying, I have more money because I have more coins. And Tommy must be saying, no, I've got more money. Now, who do you think is correct? Who has more money? What is a strategy we could use to find the answer? Yes, we need to be counting all of the coins together. So first, you're going to be counting all of these coins. I'll circle it for you so it's easier for you to see. And then you're going to be counting Tommy's coins over here, okay? And then you need to write, how do you know? So what in that section where it says, how do you know? You need to say, I know Annie has more or Tommy has more because I counted, and whatever you're going to say. I'm not giving you the answer, whatever you're going to say, okay? Okay, my lovely Morris class. Now, here we have one last challenge for you, okay? So if you are feeling very, very, very brave, not even brave, if you would like to challenge yourself, if you are feeling that you are a super learner and you can accomplish anything, which you should be feeling because that's how we are in Morris class, then have a go at this plenary. So it says, Tom and Tim both have some pocket money. Tim the turtle is saying that he has more pocket money than Tom. Who has more? So Tiny Tim, or Tim the turtle, is saying my coin is huge. I have more pocket money because I've got the biggest coin. Is he correct? Okay, once you've completed that question, what I would like you to do is your page that you have written all of your answers on, along with the question numbers. I would like ask your adult to take a picture and upload it onto Tapestry so Miss Baig can see it and Miss Baig can mark it for you. And then I will give you some feedback as well. So thank you so much for joining me, Morris class. I'm sorry this video was a little bit long, but it's been lovely having this lesson and interacting with you guys. So I will see you in our next maths lesson. Until then, please stay safe, stay at home, and take care. Until the next one. Bye, Marvis class. Take care. Bye.